In today's video, we are going to cover how to enter home energy tax credits in TurboTax. You start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to work on. Once the return is open, go to the Federal section, then open Deductions and Credits. Scroll down to the Your Home area and select Energy Efficient Home Improvements. If TurboTax shows Start or Revisit, choose that option to open the credit section. On the Energy Efficient Home Improvement screen, review the list of qualifying improvements. If you made qualifying energy efficient improvements during the tax year, or if you have a credit carry forward from an earlier year, select Yes, we made these energy efficient improvements or have a carry forward, then continue. If you are filing jointly, TurboTax may ask whether you and your spouse lived in the same home during the tax year. Answer that question and continue. Next, confirm that the home where the improvements were made is located in the United States by selecting Yes. When TurboTax asks about residential clean energy cost, choose Yes if you installed qualifying clean energy property. This includes solar panels, geothermal heat pumps, battery storage, small wind energy systems, solar water heating, or fuel cells. If none of those apply, select No and move forward. If you do have residential clean energy costs, enter the amounts paid for each qualifying item that applies to you. TurboTax may provide separate fields for solar electric property, solar water heating property, small wind energy property, geothermal heat pump property, qualified battery storage technology, and fuel cell property with kilowatt capacity. After entering the relevant cost, continue. Next, indicate whether the qualified energy efficiency improvements were made to your main home and whether they were related to new home construction. Answer both questions as they apply, then continue. On the Residential Energy Property Cost screen, select Yes if you installed qualifying energy efficient home improvements such as central air conditioners, furnaces or boilers, heat pump water heaters, biomass stoves or boilers, home energy audits, or electrical panel upgrades. If none of these were installed, select No and continue. TurboTax will then ask eligibility questions. Confirm that the property is installed on a home located in the United States, that any home energy audit was completed by a certified home energy auditor if that applies, and that the property was originally placed in service by you. After that, continue. Enter the required details for each improvement you are claiming. Depending on the item, TurboTax may ask for the manufacturer ID, also shown as QMID, the cost of the equipment, installation or labor costs where applicable, audit cost, and the cost for heat pumps, water heaters, furnaces, boilers, and central air conditioners. Complete each applicable section, then continue. If you installed enabling electrical property such as panel boards, sub-panel boards, branch circuits, or feeders, answer yes when prompted. Then select the qualifying improvements supported by that electrical work, enter the required QMI values and total material cost, and continue. Finally, review the Home Energy Credit Summary to verify the calculated credit and any available carry forward. If everything looks correct, click Continue to return to your tax return. Your home energy tax credits are now entered in TurboTax.